Installing ceramic tile baseboards is one of the most essential finishing stages in any ceramic flooring project. In this complete step-by-step tutorial, you will learn how to install ceramic skirting tiles professionally for a clean, straight, durable, and modern finish that transforms the entire appearance of the room. Ceramic baseboards create the perfect connection between the floor and the wall while protecting the lower wall surface from dirt, water, impacts, scratches, and damage caused by daily cleaning. A properly finished ceramic skirting installation gives kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, hallways, living rooms, balconies, and commercial spaces a polished and luxurious look similar to high-end professional construction projects. This video shows the full process of ceramic tile baseboard installation from start to finish using practical techniques used by professional tile installers. Every important step is covered in detail, including wall preparation, measuring, cutting, adhesive application, leveling, corner finishing, joint alignment, spacing, cleaning, and final touches. Whether you are a beginner learning ceramic tile installation for the first time or an experienced worker looking to improve your finishing quality, this tutorial provides valuable practical information that can help you achieve professional results. The first stage of ceramic skirting installation begins with preparing the wall surface correctly. Surface preparation is one of the most important factors for achieving strong adhesion and a durable installation that lasts for many years. Before installing ceramic skirting tiles, the wall must be clean, solid, dry, and free from dust, loose cement, grease, or old paint residue. Uneven areas are repaired using cement and sand mortar to create a flat surface for installation. Proper wall preparation helps prevent future problems such as hollow spots, weak adhesion, cracks, or detached ceramic pieces. Accurate measuring and marking are also essential for achieving a professional ceramic skirting finish. In this video, you will learn how to mark level reference lines along the wall to maintain straight tile alignment. Throughout the installation process, even a small mistake in measurements can affect the final appearance of the project. Proper alignment creates a clean visual line between the floor tiles and the wall, making the room look more organized and professionally finished. Another important part of the process is cutting ceramic skirting tiles accurately around difficult areas such as internal corners, external corners, door frames, columns, steps, and wall edges. Ceramic tile cutting requires patience and precision to achieve clean cuts without damaging the tile surface. This tutorial demonstrates practical cutting techniques that help create perfect edge connections and smooth corner transitions. Professional corner finishing is one of the key details that separates high-quality tile work from ordinary installation. The video also explains how to prepare and apply tile adhesive correctly for ceramic skirting installation. Proper adhesive consistency and application methods are necessary for achieving strong bonding and preventing future movement or detachment. The adhesive must be spread evenly to avoid air gaps behind the ceramic pieces. Uneven adhesive distribution can create weak points that may eventually crack or loosen over time. You will see how professional tile installers apply adhesive efficiently while maintaining correct thickness and coverage for maximum durability. During installation, maintaining equal spacing between ceramic skirting pieces is very important for achieving a clean and symmetrical appearance. Tile spacers help create uniform joints that improve both aesthetics and grout application. In this tutorial, you will learn how to align skirting tiles carefully with the floor tiles below to create a seamless and balanced design. Straight joints and consistent